To factory reset your Sonos Sub, start by ensuring the device is turned on and properly connected to your network. Open the Sonos app on your mobile device or computer and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select System and then Sub, which will take you to the Sub Settings page. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Reset. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to reset your sub, which will erase all of its settings and restore it to its original factory settings. Confirm that you want to proceed with the reset. If you do not have access to the Sonos app, you can also reset your sub manually. To do this, locate the Join button on the back of the sub. Press and hold the Join button for about 10 seconds, until the light on the sub begins to flash. Release the Join button and then press and hold it again for another 10 seconds. The sub will then reset to its factory settings. It is essential to note that a factory reset will remove all settings and configurations from your sub, including any custom settings or preferences you may have set. After the reset, you will need to set up your sub again and reconnect it to your Sonos system. Before performing a factory reset, ensure that you have tried other troubleshooting steps to resolve any issues you are experiencing. With your sub, a factory reset should be a last resort, as it will erase all of your settings and configurations. However, if you are experiencing persistent issues or plan to sell or give away your sub, a factory reset may be necessary to restore the device to its original settings.